There it goes.
Whoops, missed that one. Did Papa go down? There it is.
He's trying.
Should probably see if I have bait on mine. Just chasing me, but I can't crank and record at the same time. Ah! This probably is a sure way to lose your phone down the hole. Get this one though.
Yeah. Try. Doing laps with it.
Oh crap! Double! Wow, this is very handicapped right here. I'm gonna lose mine probably. Alright, well, that's pretty retarded.
Both of them.
Yeah, I got that recorded too.